10-month investigation. The state attorney general's office says that there is no proof to warrant criminal charges in connection with the death of a man while in Buffalo police custody. And not everyone, of course, is happy with that decision. This is some video right now of a rally that just wrapped up outside police headquarters.
20-year-old Wardell Meech Davis died after fighting with police on the city's west side. 2 on Your Side's Dave McKinley joins us live with more on how the decision was reached. Dave?
Their demonstration now concluded. The 24 or so protesters who did turn up here in the last hour made clear their opposition to the Attorney General's conclusion that no criminal charges were warranted against the 2 officers involved in this case. The Attorney General's office got involved due to an executive order signed by Governor Andrew Cuomo mandating that the AG's office conduct an independent investigation whenever people die during or immediately after a police encounter. The 61-page report was based in part on the conclusions of the Erie County medical examiner who did the initial autopsy and a review by a pathologist hired by the AG's office as part of its probe. Both concluded Davis suffered from asthma and acute bronchitis prior to his encounter with police, and that while his fighting with them may have exacerbated these conditions, no injuries which may have been imparted by police during their struggle were responsible for Davis's death. Last February, Davis was stopped by officers Todd McAllister and Nicholas Parisi near Hoyt and West Ferry on the city's west side. Police say Davis became combative and they had to restrain him. Police also insisted that when it appeared Davis was having trouble breathing, they uncuffed him and rendered aid until medics arrived. Davis was taken to Buffalo General Hospital where he was pronounced dead. His death touched off a series of protests, but as for any proof that the cops were criminally at fault, the report concludes the evidence is insufficient to meet this burden and therefore no criminal charges are warranted. But the report also uncovered what it says are policies in real need of reform by the Buffalo Police Department and the Erie County medical examiner, which it referred to as systemic and which must be swiftly addressed. It found BPD's investigation to be lacking in areas of evidence collection and documentation, recommended Buffalo Police outfit its officers with body cameras at its vehicles with dash cams, and that the ME adopt policies consistent with the National Association of Medical Examiners guidelines to ensure its investigations are conducted in a professional manner. Buffalo Police Commissioner Daniel Dorenda issued a brief statement thanking the Attorney General for what he called their thorough report and promised that Buffalo Police will review it. Meantime, the 2 officers who have been on paid administrative leave for the last 10 months, according to their attorney, are eager to get back to duty on the streets. Reporting live in downtown Buffalo, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.